Everyone, I am Dr. T. N. Kavita. Today we are going to see orthogonality of legendary polynomial in series solution. Here we need to prove integral minus 1 to plus 1 Pm of x into Pn of x into dx is equal to 0 when m not equal to n, 2 divided by 2n plus 1 when m equal to n. Let us take two cases here. First we can take this m not equal to n case and then we go with that m equal to n. Yes, first we consider the legendary polynomial in terms of u and in terms of v. Let us take those two equations as equation 1 and equation 2. And these are Pm of x and Pn of x we take respectively. And multiply the equation 1 by v and the equation 2 by u, and after multiplying, subtracting two equations, we will get this equation 1 minus x the whole 1 minus x square u double dash v minus u v double dash etc. equal to 0. So next, or this equation can be written like this, d by dx of, okay, so this equation can be written like this. And now integrating those equations with the limit minus 1 to plus 1, we get m minus n, m plus n plus 1, integral minus 1 to plus 1 u v dx. And after substituting the limit, we will get 0. So the first case over, when m not equal to n, it becomes 0. Integral minus 1 to plus 1 Pm of x into Pn of x dx equal to 0 when m not equal to n. The first case over. Let us take the second case. This first case is considered as, this equation is considered as known as orthogonality property of legendary polynomial. Integral minus 1 to plus 1 Pm of x Pn of x dx equal to 0 when m not equal to n is known as orthogonality property of legendary polynomial. When second case we will go. Here when m equal to n, we have from Rodrigues formula, this is the Rodrigues formula, we find like this, and substituting the limit minus 1 to plus 1. Since d power n minus 1 x square minus 1 the power n as x square minus 1 has a factor, the first term on the right hand side vanishes for x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1, and substituting plus 1 lower limit and upper limit, it becomes 0. The first term becomes 0. So only the second term we consider, and considering the second term with minus, integrate using the integration by parts of n minus 1 times, we get like this, and finally we can get the integration minus 1 to the power n, integral minus 1 to plus 1 2n factorial n x square minus 1 the power n dx. And on putting x is equal to sin theta, we will get in the limit 0 to pi by 2 cos power 2n plus 1 theta d theta. And using the reduction formula here, we can get like this, and after simplifying, we can finally get the solution as 2 by 2n plus 1. So this is of second case, m when m is equal to n. M not equal to n in the first case, it becomes 0. In second case, it becomes minus 1 to plus 1 Pn square x dx equal to 2 by 2n plus 1. Okay. So legendary polynomial. Next, Fourier legendary expansion of f of x. If f of x be a function defined from minus 1 to plus 1, we can write f of x equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinite Cn Pn of x equal. This is equation 1. To determine the coefficient Cn, multiply both sides by Pn of x and integrate from -1 to +1. Then from equation orthogonality of legendary polynomial equation, this is, that means the previous one la, the first case m not equal to n na, it becomes 0 na, orthogonality of legendary polynomial. Okay, so this is the second case, this is equation 3. First case of previous one is that means the legendary polynomial is equation 2, second case equation 3. Now taking the two equation, these two equations gives us this form, and equating two equations we find this, that means this is 2cn divided by 2n plus 1. So here from using this equation we find the cn value, and substituting this cn in equation 1 we find the Fourier legendary expansion of f of x. Okay, so let us see the next one. Example 1, show that -1 to +1 Pn of x Pn minus 1 of x dx equal to 2n divided by 4n square minus 1. Take the recurrence formula for that. From that recurrence formula you derive 2n plus 1 x Pn of x. Okay, so next from this you can find changing n into n minus 1 in the recurrence formula, we find like this. So on multiplying Pn we get this equation, integrating both sides with respect to x from -1 to +1, from -1 to +1 integrating both sides we find like this, and after integration we get this, and this becomes 0 because orthogonality property case 1 m and m not equal to n. Here m is n is n minus 2, so m not equal to n, so it becomes orthogonality property, by orthogonality property it becomes 0. The second term becomes 0, the first term after simplifying 2n by 4n square minus 1. Okay, so now we proved. Go to this next problem. Here example 2, -1 to +1 1 minus x square pn dash dx equal to 0 we need to prove. So using the integration by parts and substituting the limit, the first term becomes 0, the second term gives this equation 1. The Pm of x being a solution of Legendre's equation, this is Legendre equation. From the Legendre equation you derive the m into m plus 1 Pm of x, and substituting in equation 1 we get like this, and finally it becomes 0 by the orthogonality property what we have completed initially in this video. So it becomes 0. Okay, what we need to prove, that we proved. Next example, show that -1 to +1 x square Pn minus 1 Pn plus 1 dx. This one we need to prove. Take the recurrence relation. From the recurrence relation you find 2n plus 1 x Pn, and from this x Pn minus 1 you derive, that means n can be changed into n minus 1, and xn plus 1 you can derive, that means xn can be replaced by n plus 1, and multiply the both. On multiplying the both equations we find like this, integrating both sides from -1 to +1 we give orthogonality property, the first term becomes 0. So now finally we get this solution what we needed. Okay, so the last problem, f of x equal to 0 when -1 to 0, x when 0 to 1. We need to show that f of x is equal to these terms. So just you take f of x, cn Pn of x. Cn already we find, we know the cn, so substituting the cn value in this and replace the n by 0 1 2 3